creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today's class, we are going to be creating this fruit relief sculpture. Okay guys, let's do it. Okay, so you are going to be needing a red paper. You can choose whichever one you want for your background, but I'm using yellow and black for my background and green for my stem and leaf. A scissors, a pencil, and your glue. Alright, let's create our cherry relief sculpture. Okay, so to make our cherry, I'm going to fold my paper, my red paper. You can decide how you want to fold your paper, and I'm going to draw 3 circles. But I'm drawing it on this side where the fold is because it's going to give me 6 circles. So I'm using this as my guide to draw my circles. Placing it at the side, tracing my circles. Hold it firmly so it does not move. Need 2 more circles. And I'm going all the way around with my circles. Grabbing my scissors, and I'm going to cut. Remember, we cut behind the lines. And we're working with 6 circles. So I'll go ahead and cut inside. And we're going to fold them in half. Making sure the sides are equal. I'm going to grab my green paper and I'm going to cut a stem. So a long piece going all the way. I'm going to fold my stem in half and then cut. I'm going to go ahead and glue my cherries together, the sides together. And we're putting 3 pieces together. Making sure all the centers are lined up. So there's one section that's still open. I'm going to glue my stem. Gluing the other stem. And I'm going to hold my cherry this way and I'm going to apply glue and paste it over. I'm going to do the next one. Paste it over the stem also. We are almost done, guys. Grabbing my green paper and I'm going to fold it evenly, making sure the sides are even to create my leaf. Use my pencil to draw a curved line going up and coming down. So we're doing a C shape. And then cut for our leaf. Remember, we cut behind the line. And add glue. Now for our background, I'm going to use yellow paper and place my cherry on it and then glue. I'm gluing it close to the edge. And what I'll do is I'll just estimate and go ahead and cut the excess. Now you can use a ruler to draw your line. And we are all done. I had fun with you in art class today, and I hope that you did too. See you next time. Bye.